Hi, Claire with Roostin Woodworks. What we have here, one of my favorites and a very sought after piece. It's a black walnut, classic smooth-sided pedestal, 30 inches overall height, approximately 16 and a half inch footprint with the bottom installed. We have a removable top with a 3/4 inch recess and approximately 15-inch mounting surface. These are also available with flat top. You can request that and let us know. These are shipped free to you to the lower 48. Any questions, give us a holler at roostinridge.com. Thank you.